Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. In this video, we're taking a look at altcoin Synthetix, currently rank number 89 on CoinMarketCap. It's currently trading for $2.94 in the last 1 year. It has gone as high as $15.8 and as low as $1.45. You'll be getting some Synthetix. How high can Synthetix go? Synthetix in the last 24 hours had a wonderful pump. It's up 56% in the last 1 week. It's up 38% in the last 1 day. How high can it go? We're talking about Synthetix bear market strategy. What should we be doing with Synthetix in the bear market? We'll be looking at the Synthetix US dollar price chart. We'll be looking at how it has behaved in the previous bear market and what we should expect. How low can it go, or how high can it go in the bear market? We'll also be looking at Synthetix against Ethereum, looking at Synthetix against Bitcoin, and then we'll take a look at the Synthetix market cap chart. Can Synthetix get to $50? How long will it take Synthetix to set a new all-time high? Is this the start of a new trend? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, Synthetix has a market capitalization of $336 million, and we have 54% of the total coins in circulation. We have 114 million tokens of Synthetix in circulation. And just a quick history, what is Synthetix? Synthetix is a decentralized finance DeFi protocol that provides on-chain exposure to a wide variety of crypto and non-crypto assets. The protocol is based on the Ethereum blockchain and offers users access to high liquid Synthetix assets, Synths. Synths track and provide returns on the underlying assets without requiring one to directly hold the asset. So where can you get some? In the last 24 hours, that's experienced mad pump. You can see the volume is up 559%. In the last 24 hours, it has a trading volume of $511 million. You can get it on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on FTX, on Uniswap, on Kraken, and any other place you get your favorite altcoin. This is a very popular altcoin. In the last 24 hours, it has been making waves. We have over 189,000 people following it. And now this is a Synthetix US dollar price chart. I'm going to be putting it on a 3-day time frame. You can see the pump we just had right now. This is just these two candles. In the grand scheme of things, the pump we had right now is actually nothing to write home about. In the last 24 hours, they actually had a mild pump. You can see at the point of recording this video, it's still up 38%. At some point in time yesterday, it was up 100% in the last 24 hours. And Synthetix was launched in 2018 at the end of the bull run in 2018. That's when we are reading the bear market in 2018. And Synthetix, when it was launched, it started dumping. It dumped more than 95%. It was launched in May. It dumped till around March 2019. After that, it went on a monster run. This was when the crypto market actually started on a bull run. The bottom was in. In December 2018. After that, the market started pumping upwards. Bitcoin went from 3K to as high as $69,000, and in that time frame, Synthetix went up from as low as 0.03 to as high as $28. Crazy returns in just over 2 years. It found its top in February 2021. It found its top very early, before Bitcoin, before Ethereum, before a lot of altcoins in the market. But since then, it has actually been dumping. So people that bought Synthetix in 2021 or early 2022, they have just been losing money, because what has Synthetix been doing in this period of time? It has been dumping against the US dollar. It has actually dumped 94% from its all-time high. Is the bottom in, or is it going to go down further? Because we know that all coins can actually drop as low as 98%. Some of them can drop 99% from their all-time high in the bear market. But right now, Synthetix is down 94% from the bottom, and you can see that it had this massive pump in the last 3 days. And when it hit 1.4, it actually pumped and it went to as high as 2.8 on some exchanges. And on CoinMarketCap, it didn't get to 2.8, it got to 2.6, but you can see that it's up 85% in just the last 3 days. Is this the start of an uptrend, or are we still going to go to Goblin Town? You can see that anytime it looks as if it's over for Synthetix, and then we'll start pumping. The first dump he had here was a 95% pump, and it recovered during the bull run. And the next dump he had here was how many percent? 78%. This was just a minor dump. Think about it, 78% a minor dump. The dump he had here was 68%. So when the market is pumping, Synthetix actually pumps too. but when the market is dumping, we can see that Synthetix actually dumps. When the market was still even pumping in March, April, and May, Synthetix was just flat. When the market dumped, it dumped with the market. The market recovered here. Synthetix couldn't set new all-time highs. It just got to as high as $15 before it continued dumping. Is the bottom in? Should we start getting some Synthetix through the bear market? We'll need Bitcoin to tell us that answer. Bitcoin is still trading for $20,000. We want to know whether the bottom of Bitcoin is in. When the bottom of Bitcoin comes in, then we can comfortably start buying these altcoins to start going to the moon. For right now, you want to be cautious with altcoins. Now, how is Synthetix performing against Ethereum? Since 2019, it was actually gaining mad against Ethereum. When the bottom of the crypto market came in December 2018, Synthetix actually bottomed against Ethereum. Since then, it went up over 7,000% in a period of 609 days. It actually found its bottom against Ethereum on August 2020. So the US dollar pairing actually topped in February 2021, but on the Ethereum pairing, it actually topped in August 2020. And when it found its top, it started dumping against Ethereum, and it has dumped over 93% in that period in time. All the dumps that I have against Ethereum, none of them has been as deep as 93%. This one was 82% dump. This one was how many percent from the top? This one was a 73% dump. This is the largest dump Synthetix has against Ethereum, and you can see that it's back to a crucial level, and this was the support where was holding us down. This exact place was a resistance, and we turned it to a support when we were breaking into new highs in July of 2019. After we broke there, we have never come back to test that support. Right now, Synthetix is back to that support. You can see that it came to that support and bounced nicely off that support on the 9th of May 2022. So is this the start of a new uptrend for Synthetix against Ethereum, or are we still going to go down to Goblin Town again? Now, how is Synthetix performing against Bitcoin? Against Bitcoin, it was dumping since when it was launched. It dumped, and when Bitcoin found its bottom, Synthetix actually bottomed against Bitcoin. And when Bitcoin started pumping, Synthetix outperformed Bitcoin by over 9,000%. Crazy returns if you think about it. It had a wonderful mad 2 years, but since when it topped against Bitcoin, just like Ethereum pairing in August 2020, it has been dumping against Bitcoin. It has also been dumping against Ethereum since then. It has dumped over 88% on its Bitcoin pairing, but it looks as if it has bounced off this support. You can see that this support right here, we turned this resistance to support, and we pumped past it in October 2019. We came back, we tested it, turned it to support during the COVID sell-off in March 2020. Then we went on and popped set new highs in August 2020 for Synthetix. Right now, we're back to that region, and we had a nice pump of it. You can see that in the short term, Synthetix is actually outperforming in Bitcoin. It's up over 75% just in the last 2 weeks against Bitcoin. Will it continue to outperform Bitcoin through the bear market, or is this just a relief pump, an exit pump to get people very bullish? A lot of people will buy altcoins and then will continue crashing, because guys, as I've told you guys, Bitcoin needs to find its bottom before a lot of these altcoins will bottom. And even after Bitcoin finds its bottom, we see that altcoins actually take at least 1 more year for them to find their true bottom. So we'll be watching Synthetix closely through the bear market. And this is Synthetix market cap chart, and when it was launched, its market valuation was around $443 million. But what happened after that? It had a huge dump. Synthetix was launched here, and when it was launched, it had a market capitalization of over $45 million. And when it dumped to as low as having a market cap of $2 million. What happened in the bull run is that it pumped to as high as $2.9 billion. Crazy returns if you bought Synthetix in the bear market, in the depths of the bear market, when it was down already over 95% from its launch price. But what happened? It has been dumping. So a lot of people that have been buying Synthetix since February 2021, and they have been in losses. So is this the start of a new trend? Only time will tell right now. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be getting some Synthetix to hold through the bear market? You can see that we had a nice pump, but in the grand scheme of things, we are still down very bad. For Synthetix to go to this previous all-time high, we have seen Synthetix pop over 1,000%. It has to 10x. I believe it can go to as high as $50 in the next bull run, but where is the bottom right now? Only time will tell. Are we accumulating some Synthetix? If we see Synthetix drop to as low as $1.4, it can actually do that. It has touched $1.4. It did it on the 18th of June. Maybe we can even actually go as low as 0.3. Only time will tell right now. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1.